Welcome to Union University's tutorial on how to use the new residence housing software. We're going to start by clicking on the resident button. When you get there, you should log in with your Union username and a password. You'll have to create a new password for this software. That'll be different from your regular email password. And if you have not done that yet, you can click on Forgot Password, and a link will be emailed to you that will let you log in to the website. But you're going to log in, and once you log in, there will be a screen that pops up that will tell you your applications that you have available. And so a reminder that all students who are current residents, even if they're not going to live on campus next year, will need to fill out this housing application. And so to do that, you'll click on Get Started. The first screen there will just be a review of the information about who you are. So you'll click Next, and the next screen is where you'll indicate if you are returning to campus for housing next year or if you are not. So if you are not, if it's one of these four options, then you will let us know what you'd like us to do with your housing deposit. And once you do that, you can hit Next and Next and go all the way through to Submit it. And as long as you're not planning on living on campus next year or over the summer, you're done and you can stop listening to the video at this point. That's all that you'll need to do for us. If you will be living on campus next year, you're going to select the first option and then give us your preferences for where you want to live, either in the Quads or Warmouth or Heritage. If you want to live upstairs or downstairs and have a specific building perhaps that you want to live in. And then you will indicate which bedroom you want to live in. So as you talk with your roommates, decide on which bedrooms you want to live in so that we can make those assignments easily. We'll talk about roommate matching in a little bit, but we'll select bedroom A here. If you wish to live with a new student, then I need to know your student's name and their ID for that new student so that we can match them with you. And you'll also need to let them know that they'll need to request that you are matched with them. We need both people to indicate that they want to live together. So then you'll hit Next and review your dining service. So the only option is Fall 100 meal plan. And hit Next and review the terms of the contract and agree to that. And then you'll review the entire application at the next point. And so this is all of that information that you'd selected. And then once you submit the application, you're all set. And so we need students to submit the application before they request roommates. Now, to request roommates, you'll click on the Roommate Matching tab at the top and go to Group to make your roommate group. And you'll notice on the top right of every page is this passcode here. That's a unique passcode to you. And what you'll need to do is after all of your roommates have submitted that application, they will need to give you their passcode in order to group it together. So you will enter their passcode into this box, and their name should pop up. And so you would select them up to a maximum of 3 other roommates and save that, and then that would indicate to us that you are a group that want to live together. And so if you go back and you hit the group, you'll notice that now you're included in there as a group. If Buster Bulldog logged in, he would see this group as well. So that is how you will request roommates for next year. At that point, you'll just wait for your assignment. That will come in email in the middle to end of May, and you're done, unless you're planning on living on campus at all this summer. So if you're planning on living on campus this summer, you'll go back to Home, and you will click on the Summer 2013 application. Get started there, again reviewing your applicant information, indicating what terms you will be here for housing and how much they cost. A little different with summer roommates. We want you to just type out their names for that. If you have people who you also know are living on campus this summer, you can just type their names in there. And then if you're taking a class, you'll select this meal plan. If you're not taking a class and you do not want the meal plan, you don't have to do that. So we will be here for June and we want the meal plan. And again, you're going to review the terms of the contract and agree to it, and then review the entire application again and submit that application, and you'll be all set and waiting on hearing from us for your assignment for the summer. If you have any questions about this, or if you have a roommate who doesn't have access to one of these applications, you can contact us at reslife@uu.edu with any questions that you have. Thank you.